Hello friends, today we are discuss about the blackberry picking poem by Seamus Heaney. Seamus Heaney is a prominent Irish poet. Of the 20 June, he received Nobel Prize for Literature in 1995. Heaney is known as a bogland poet. Symbolism, imagery, realism, pictorial quality, history, and nature are some of the important features of Seamus Heaney's poem. Digging, Bogland, Punishment, The Tolan Man, The Wives' Tale are few notable poems by Heaney. Apart from being a poet, Heaney was a translator too. He translated several works of the ancient authors and poets. Blackberry Picking is a metaphorical poem by Seamus Heaney. Apparently, the poem deals with, as its title suggests, about the picking of blackberries. Metaphorically, the poem deals with its life itself. The facts of the file is the Irish poet born in Derry and there is lectured in Belfast, won the Nobel Prize for Literature, moving with his wife and three children to Wicklow in 1972. He won many awards throughout his life. Has been described as the most important Irish poet since its and the greatest poet of our age. Background of this picking, it is late August. There has been heavy rain and sunshine. The blackberries are ripening and from the first bite they are addictive. The children gather them in containers, however they can't eat them all and so the fruit ferments rots. This happens every year when they gather too much. The structure of the poem is the first half of the poem deals with the gathering and the eating of the blackberries. Second half of the poem deals with the ruin of what's left out. And next is the poem is deals with the language of the poem. The language of the poem he needs uses rich language, lots of verbs and adjectives. He seems to use very rich language on purpose. As you read the poem, the words fill your mouth just like the blackberries. The use of language is intense and hypnotic. There is the use of the blackberries in the use of blackberry imagery in this poem. The tone of the poem is very slightly. The children are suffering from the pain of wanting to satisfy their hunger, and like a plate of ice, simile, and their palms are stained with the juice, blue beards stained with blood. In the final part, the children hoard the blackberries, but they begin to grow a red grey fungus gluts, and it wasn't fair that all the lovely confused smell of rot even the children knew the berries would not keep. In this way, the poem mood is the desire for the blackberries is half seeking, and the children become greedy for this. The alliteration of the poem is the first flesh, berries, buyer, fruit, fermented flesh. Can you find any other example? The poem like eating blackberries, like thinking wine. In this way, the imagery in this poem, there are some of the child blackberry pickers carrying milk cans, pea tins, jam pots, fruit that steal the treasure, the blackberries themselves. The children are the image for desire. They can't resist picking them, they crave them, and it's not fair that what they desire is snatched away by time. They know they will not last, but they don't want to recognize this. In this way, the blackberry is picking. The poem is very the poem is very enthusiastically by the children's, and the poet speaks about the harvest season in his youth. Thank you friends. Please must watch and subscribe to our channel.